Yes, sir, we promised you a great man in this tonight. Andre of China. WrestleMania!
Hulkamania is running wild.
My God, what a
Nous allons commencer ce TLC 2019 avec les titres par équipe Cruiserweight qui seront défendus dans un TLC match. Les titres sont encore et toujours détenus par les Lucha House Party, mais ce soir c'est Gran Metalik et Kalisto qui s'y collent. Leurs challengers sont Rey Mysterio et la légende du Japon Yushin Thunder Liger, mais également Sin Cara et Drugulak qui cherche encore et toujours un partenaire fiable et efficace.
Gulak's in the house.
Fact is, Drew Gulak is a skilled mat technician. He pays great attention to detail, especially when it means manipulating the human anatomy.
Do you know he actually cornered me with his PowerPoint presentation explaining how he was going to win here tonight? I think that's the first time I fell asleep with my eyes open.
Now time for a huge six-man tag team match. And I can't think of any competitor I'd rather see go at it right now than these six superstars. This one's going to be great.
Arguably one of the most inspirational superstars.
Need to go here.
Oh man, Michael, six-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
Here we go again. 3-on-3 action underway now. Oh, shows no mercy. Oh, what a flip. No wasted motion in this attack.
Oftentimes the teams who have the best continuity.
Whoa.
And D-Generation X.
He's looking at it. Down with a great. Impactful slam. DDT. Can he end it? Car service. Kalisto is looking at a barrage of strikes. Endless. But can he into a powerbomb? You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like Let's do this. Oh God. Sunset flip down. Not a neck breaker. Strong. Maximum impact. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Oh man, what a hit. Knocked right off the apron. The champ to the top turn. Look at this. This is one of the best in the business. Oh man, that hurt. Ooh, brutal body shot. Oh, now. Nailed it. What a six-man tag match.
Here are your winners and the new Cruiserweight Tag Team Champions, Rey Mysterio.
Gonna feel the effects of this win for a while.
This is one of those wins you don't forget anytime soon.
And it'll be interesting to see the ripple effects this win has in the weeks to come.
victoire de la nouvelle équipe composée de Rey Mysterio et de Yushin, les Lucha House Party ont enfin perdu leur titre. Ils étaient champions depuis Backlash 2019. Après cette grosse victoire, nous allons avoir un autre match. Cette fois-ci pour le titre Hardcore, qui sera, comme d'habitude, défendu dans un Extreme Rules match. Le super suisse Cesaro est encore et toujours champion depuis SummerSlam, et ce soir, comme d'habitude, il va défendre sa ceinture contre un adversaire mystère.
You can feel the electricity. Mano a mano. These guys are undoubtedly going to give us...
Right to the throat. Great move. In WWE, there's as much chaos out.
He's got him covered, and he doesn't stay down.
This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not. The has plenty of fight left. Appears to be in pretty good shape here.
Got red suplex.
Made there. Challenger's starting to falter. He's going to need to find a way to fire back. If you ask me, guys, giant free-for-all. And while it's exciting to watch, it's absolute torture on these superstars.
It is cold. Unfortunately, matches like this usually result in injury. Sometimes serious injury.
Oh, shows no mercy in that poor chair.
Oh boy. Not done yet.
Not again. A third.
Wow. Enough's enough.
We've got it covered. And the champ kicks out. Harsh impact. The air just... And the champ kicks out. Oh, shows no mercy. And that was what happened to WWE Tag Team Champions in the 1970s. Cesaro's return. You're staying down for good. Oh, seamless.
Take off.
Look at this. Of course, Extreme Rules matches have resulted. Oh my gosh! Oh, what an uppercut! And he's got it! He's got it! He's gonna tap!
Looks like this one's gonna go in the champ's favor.
Look out, he breaks free. Great job by him there, but he's still in a tough spot, Cole. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Quick thinking to avoid that one.
Nasty.
Incoming. Look at this. Out of the Cesaro section with that one. Here's the pin. Title on the line.
Et là vous vous dites mais qu'est-ce qui se passe? Eh bien pour ça il faut revenir en arrière pour comprendre le tout. Si vous avez vu les derniers shows hebdomadaires, vous avez vu que le champion Cruiserweight Buddy Murphy est également le champion 24/7, titre qu'il a remporté en rivant les épaules de R-Truth. C'est pour cela qu'en plein match nous avons pas mal de jobbers qui arrivent vers le ring pour foutre le bordel et tenter de remporter le titre 24/7.
But he's got to capitalize now. Goldust.
This is all but over. Now
The cover. Reversal. Cesaro showing his prowess.
this is all but over.
Let's remember, though, guys, his opponent. Uppercut. When this guy's on. Oh, chin-breaking uppercut.
We'll be looking for the neutralizer.
Neutralizer. This one's over, guys.
You're gonna want to see your internist after a slam like that.
Quickly into the cover with the title on the line. 3.
nous allons avoir ensuite un match sans disqualification, 3 contre 3, Tornado Tag. Les Usos se sont alliés à Batista qui vont affronter Roman Reigns et les Author of Pain. Je rappelle, les Usos et Batista sont face, Roman Reigns et les Author of Pain sont heel. Le trio Roman Reigns et les Author of Pain ont été formés par Paul Heyman depuis quelques mois déjà, et les Usos ont préféré laisser Roman Reigns de côté, qui les tirait vers le bas, et ont décidé de s'allier à Batista. Batista qui a eu aussi pas mal de problèmes avec Roman Reigns, il a perdu notamment à SummerSlam face à lui, tandis que les Usos veulent se racheter auprès de leur père qu'ils avaient attaqué, en remettant les choses dans l'ordre ce soir, en battant peut-être Roman Reigns et les Author of Pain.
It's devastation time! Frightening! Unnerving! A couple of bad dudes. Big dog! That'll hinder your modeling career.
As a member of the Shield, Roman Reigns knows all of the intricacies required to make a six-man team be victorious. Believe that.
Well, if this six-man match isn't trending, it's... Roman Reigns is absolutely...
Terrifying power
of the world. Pure devastation.
is in position. What a power bomb from the Albanian Psycho.
I think this is the beginning of the end, Michael.
And a kick. What a slam. Oh, shows no mercy. Best friends. I can name a lot of things. Byron, you've never had a best friend. Yes, he has. Imaginary. What a stomp.
It's a big-time
Dangerous, he's an unstoppable physical force.
spear. Cut him in half.
Some amazing battles in 2016.
AJ Styles came so close to unseating WWE Champion Reigns at Payback 2016. Styles clash!
Can he finish the job? He looks for it once again. Impactful slam.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. And here comes Batista.
Big slam.
That's what he was looking for, Michael. Oh, man, Roman Reigns.
He goes for the cover.
Quite some back and forth there before finally picking up the win.
Call animal control. Someone just claimed Roman Reigns' yard here tonight.
It'll be interesting to see them.
Durant le match, vous avez pu voir les anciens champions par équipe de Raw, Kevin Owens et Sami Zayn, venir distraire les champions par équipe de Raw, alors que les Usos étaient un peu mal en point et avaient été blessés par les Author of Pain et Roman Reigns. Pendant ce temps, Roman Reigns en a profité pour attaquer Batista, mais AJ Styles, qui a aussi des problèmes avec Roman Reigns, décidément tout le monde a des problèmes avec lui, est intervenu et Batista en a profité. AJ Styles prend sa revanche de Survivor Series puisque Roman Reigns l'avait blessé durant le match. On peut dire que l'histoire ne fait que commencer entre les deux.
Yes, 1,000 times yes. The man has arrived.
that he loves to clear his mind and shut out the negativity so he can be fully present in the moment when that bell rings.
Oh, Ricochet's busy clearing out his mind so he can blow yours. Ricochet can do anything and everything you had ever imagined between the ropes.
Get out your selfie sticks, guys!
Is it my eyes when you look at me?
Reeves flew here on a private jet direct from Milan just to grace the WWE Universe with his presence.
Oh, what a nice guy!
This should be an incredible match. I mean,
Always amazes me the amount of punishment these competitors are willing to go through in order to win a TLC match.
Super kick. Outrageous athleticism on the Hurricanrana.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll count them out now, guys. You be making a very big mistake. Mark my words. And Breeze says, not this time. A TLC match is so dangerous that you never want Dean Ambrose. Ambrose said that his temper was his game plan, but if
Clean in TLC's environment of twisted
Ford 450 splash out to the floor that put Ambrose through a table. That wasn't a world heavyweight champion.
Corey, you mentioned this earlier, but it bears. There was a big fight feel in Houston, Texas that night.
It looked like the oh my God!
Tyler, super kick, Irish whip. Oh, nasty. Adam Cole.
Ricochet only rode the wave of prominence.
This is a grueling championship match. Nobody. That's what he was looking for, Michael. This has been a rule.
Look at this! Diving splash from the top!
Incoming. Oh! Incredible Ricochet connecting. Turn out the lights. The party's over. Ricochet is your new champion. Time.
There it is! The zigzag!
Boom. Good night.
Ricochet avait gagné le titre intercontinental à NXT TakeOver en battant Tyler Breeze à la grande surprise, mais il avait ensuite perdu son titre à SmackDown, c'est pourquoi ce soir nous avions eu une revanche remportée par Ricochet qui a décroché donc la ceinture. Cependant, Dolph Ziggler, qui semble s'être allié à Tyler Breeze, est intervenu à la fin du match pour s'attaquer à Ricochet.
The end may be the harsh impact.
Carmella est parvenue à tirer l'ascension loin de Goldust. Je rappelle, Connor et Victor sont avec Goldust, qui font d'ailleurs partie du clan de Matt Hardy, Broken Matt. R3 a donc profité que Goldust soit seul pour porter son finisher et porter également le tombé pour ensuite repartir avec le titre 24/7. R-Truth n'a même pas le temps de respirer qu'il est poursuivi par une dizaine de superstars. Un adversaire mystère attend la championne de Raw des femmes, Ruby Riott. Personne ne sait encore qui elle va affronter, mais le titre sera en jeu et la superstar viendrait d'NXT selon les rumeurs.
Was in the business of pleasing people, I wouldn't be here. I'll do things the way that I want to do them. That do-it-yourself ethos has served Ruby Riott incredibly well throughout her career. Mayhem. Oh, I love Candice. This is going to be fun.
Yeah, such a positive energy that Candice LeRae brings to the equation.
Listen to this place on its feet for Candice LeRae. Both superstars come into this matchup with a lot to prove.
Settle in, guys.
Shoulders on the mat. You're not going to win many. You got to believe this one's over.
No way! Good God!
Inverted Frankensteiner. Running Hurricane Rana. Boom, what impact. Oh, diving move. She goes for the cover. Digging deep for... Uh-oh. She better do something fast. And she breaks. Nailed it. That's too quick.
Oh, don't do this. Don't.
Oh, and she gets out of the way. And here we go now. Stump pulling to the mat to keep the Daredevil and LeRae at bay. Yeah, Michael, it might be best to counter. A high-risk wrestler, Corey.
Yeah, whatever.
Gary, this doesn't look good, Corey.
Couldn't agree more, Cole. This has got trouble.
This might be it. Oh, my. Give here. The victory is on the horizon. She has got to take advantage. Whoa, and free from that one.
Oh, nasty impact.
2. A kick out before 3. Ooh, what impact. Uh-oh. The tide might be turning. Had a plan. Solid contact from Candice LeRae.
Got every ounce of that one. This could be over.
How is Ryan Salt? Oh, can she keep her down? A kick out. Look at this. Oh, man, she's rolling.
Nailed it.
Whoa! You're not going to win many matches. And then, boom! A championship match. Nobody wants to... Oh, I hate to see it end like this.
C'était donc Candice LeRae qui venait tout droit d'NXT pour débuter dans le main roster, qui a malheureusement perdu l'opportunité de remporter le titre pour ses débuts en perdant par des comptes extérieurs. Après cette lourde défaite, ce n'est pas terminé pour Candice puisque le Riot Squad complet arrive et commence à passer au tabac Candice LeRae. Sarah Logan et Liv Morgan portent une prise de soumission sur Candice LeRae. Ruby Riot prend le micro et lui ordonne de rejoindre le Riot Squad. Au bout de quelques minutes, Candice LeRae, sous la torture, accepte de rejoindre le Riot Squad. Les trois femmes passent alors encore au tabac Candice LeRae. Ruby Riot, elle, souhaite la bienvenue à Candice LeRae dans le main roster. En backstage, nous avons Lars Sullivan qui s'attaque à Lucha House Party. Il avait déjà attaqué Tajiri violemment à SmackDown et s'est également embrouillé avec le manager général des Cruiserweight, le Big Show. Et juste après cet événement, nous allons avoir les titres par équipe de SmackDown détenus par Heavy Machinery qui vont affronter The Revival, leur challenger.
Guy time!
No flip firing, just fists. Tag team specialist.
There may not be a better team in all of WWE right now than Dawson and Wilder. Great tag teams are on the same page. These two are in the same syllable.
Like you and I, Corey. What about me?
What about you?
Two men, they're a little different. They're a little unorthodox, but they're fun to watch, and they know how to get the job done.
Big victory tonight would certainly lead to a few oat sodas after the match tonight. Dozovic and Knight, two tough individuals.
Two big old hosses. Both legal men are in the ring.
Tag team action in full effect, guys, and these superstars are about to show all you folk now.
Whoa! Across the champion into the cover, and big boot.
Offense. Well, it's not dire consequences for him here, which is good.
So out of hand. Oh, man, her elbow. Belly to belly. The challenger starts slow down a bit here. This tag team match can get out of hand quickly if he doesn't mount an offense soon.
The beauty of tag team doesn't need to take the entire. He needed that in the worst way.
A fireman's carry.
Backbreaker. Tag team match and has endured heavy amounts of punishment. They must. That's a breaker by Dash Wilder. I knew it was only a matter of.
Dash Wilder makes the tag team partner.
If you're not able to get to them when you got to tag out of the match.
Give it a Tucker Knight is in position. Belly suplex. Championship on the line. New champion. Oh, big collision on the splash.
If I'm his partner, I'm serious right now. Yo, Hardy Boys, solid shape. The most important fall in a 2 out of 3 falls contest is the first time
With Cesaro and Sheamus, 2 out of 3 falls format. Cesaro and Sheamus didn't.
momentum has certainly shifted here by Gold.
Between the ropes. Clothesline! Oh my! Looking for the exclamation point! You gotta believe this one's over! Buckle. Incoming. Here we go. Dawson takes out the vicious attack.
Wow, I thought he was goner going around some of that summit beat.
Showing some quickness here. Dawson takes out the knee. Yeah. And the fight must go on. We're here.
He put up a good fight, but
when this guy's on, look out. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. 3.
Here are your winners, and still knockdown tag team Tucker Knight and Otis Sullivan. Heavy Machinery.
Wow. Huge pinfall win here tonight.
I got a feeling they're going to be talking about this win for a while.
I couldn't agree more. What an amazing contest that was.
Après la conservation d'Heavy Machinery, qui met fin à sa rivalité avec Survival, Randy Orton et Shinsuke Nakamura qui étaient aux commentaires fixent Heavy Machinery et surtout les ceintures par équipe de SmackDown. Nous retrouvons John Cena en interview. Il nous annonce qu'il va représenter Raw pour le fameux match Raw vs SmackDown qui déterminera enfin quel brand sera la grande vainqueur cette année. Parce que je rappelle au Survivor Series, le Raw vs SmackDown s'est fini à égalité suite au match entre Braun Strowman et Lars Sullivan où l'on a pu voir le ring. John Cena précise qu'il ne connaît pas encore son adversaire. Nous allons avoir Matt Hardy, le champion de la WWE, qui va affronter son challenger, le Miz. Le Miz a eu droit à ce match, ou plutôt à un rematch pour le titre de la WWE qu'il possédait après avoir battu le duo Daniel Bryan et Samoa Joe à Money in the Bank 2019. Mais rappelez-vous, après le match, Samoa Joe avait blessé le Miz, ce qui l'avait écarté des rings depuis tout ce temps. The Miz a donc obtenu son rematch ce soir et va donc affronter Broken Matt Hardy.
Oh no. Yes!
I will delete you!
I had some little baby who calls himself King Maxwell challenging me to a match. Maxwell, do you know how ridiculous you sound, Michael Cole? And his wife, Reba McEntire, and the senior bald guy there, and the Wolfgang guy and the crew too. You should be careful should you...
Making his way to the ring, residing in Hollywood, California, weighing in at 221 pounds, The Miz. Introducing the champion, from Cameron, North Carolina, weighing in at 236 pounds, he is the WWE Champion, Matt Hardy.
I need to be honest, guys. I'm just lost with this Matt Hardy. I can't understand his statements. Now that got those shoulders on the mat.
He's got some more fight in him, guys.
Wow, an A-list knee strike, but... Oh, nasty impact.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Wow, an A-list big boot.
Not looking good for the champ here. He's a true champion. I suspect he has plenty of fight left in him.
He seemed more motivated than ever heading into this match. His mate's left in him.
Harsh impact. Oh, he turns it around. We're seeing here.
Yeah, but it looks to me like he... Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Side effect. And your elbow. He's fighting back here. I expected nothing less, Cole. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Slammed with authority.
Digging deep for a kick out.
Oops. I expected as much from him tonight.
Talk of reincarnation. Any further talk from you people?
Okay, look, all I can point to is what's happened in the ring. Bray Wyatt mysteriously appeared to help Matt Hardy win the Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal.
Matt Hardy already seemed a little different. A big move coming. Oh, what a DDT. Look at this.
Oh, the reversal by...
And gentlemen, the Miz may be fading away here.
Looks to me like he just hit a wall.
Getting out of the way on that one.
Oh, shows no mercy. In that poor chair. Here's the pin tunnel on the line. Two. Harsh impact. Great effort, but he better save something for later. Look at this. Miz. Oh, what impact. That might just be the final nail in the coffin. Oh, and he releases the hold. Wow. But we thought that was it. And scene. Skull-crushing finale. That's how you put an exclamation point on a match. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. That's why these men...
Figure 4 leg lock.
We might have a new champ. Uh-oh. Twist of fate. Can he finish him off here? Here's the pin. Title on the line. 2, 3.
Here is your winner, and still WWE Champion, Matt Hardy.
Without a doubt, he is among the most dominant guys on the WWE roster right now.
Thank you for...
Après le match, Broternero attaque The Miz sous les ordres de Matt Hardy. Mais l'homme masqué qui avait déjà aidé le Miz à SmackDown arrive pour stopper Broternero. Juste avant que Bray Wyatt n'arrive à son tour, parce que je rappelle, il fait aussi partie du clan de Broken Matt Hardy, Bray Wyatt met donc à terre l'homme masqué. Il retire son masque. À la surprise générale, c'est Daniel Bryan. On peut voir Roderick Strong se faire détruire par l'Undisputed Era en backstage, puisque je rappelle, au Survivor Series, Adam Cole a décidé de se séparer de Roderick Strong, puisque Cole accusait Roderick Strong d'avoir fait exprès de perdre contre la Sanity au Survivor Series, mais aussi il trouvait que Roderick Strong n'était pas assez derrière l'Undisputed Era, comme il le se devait, comme le font Kyle O'Reilly et Bobby Fish. Le titre universel est aussi défendu ce soir dans un TLC match, dans un Fatal 4-Way composé du champion Andrade Cien Almas qui a utilisé sa mallette à Survivor Series dans le main event qui opposait Finn Balor, le champion universel, contre Aleister Black, le challenger. Dans ce même match, à la fin, Undertaker est arrivé pour porter un double chokeslam, accusant Finn Balor et Aleister Black d'être derrière la disparition de Kane. Après ce double chokeslam, Andrade Cien Almas est arrivé avec sa mallette pour cacher et prendre, bien sûr, la ceinture. Depuis, il a été annoncé que l'Undertaker ferait partie du match. Finn Balor a demandé son rematch et Aleister Black, vu l'intervention qu'on a eu, le manager général a décidé de l'inclure dans ce Fatal 4-Way.
The legend continues.
WWE Universal Championship. Introducing the challenger from Death Valley, weighing in at 299 pounds, The Undertaker.
One of the most intimidating presence in WWE history. The Demon is here!
Finn Balor has unlocked the crypts of the underworld in his mind and unleashed the demon.
And introducing the challenger from Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland, weighing in at 190 pounds, Finn Balor.
But Finn Balor continues to grow his legend here in WWE. Finn Balor only brings out the demon when it's time for a big fight.
And introducing the challenger from Amsterdam, Holland, weighing in at 215 pounds, Aleister Black.
The ominous man from Amsterdam. Black emerged from the darkness just long enough to knock someone's head clean off.
A man who went undefeated in one-on-one competition for an entire year before winning the NXT Championship.
The story of his life is tattooed on his body. Aleister Black, discipline, the name of the game for this man. And the sole of his foot is tattooed on the body of others. One of the most dangerous strikers in the business.
And introducing the champion from Gomez Palacio, Durango, Mexico, weighing in at 215 pounds, he is the WWE Universal Champion, Andrade Almas.
Andrade Cien Almas, a superstar that lives his best life. He's worked incredibly hard and isn't afraid to let you know about it. Well, he's a third-generation superstar. Really has been refocused here in WWE. Much of that success can be attributed to his business manager, Petey, inside the ring. Zelina Vega is as intelligent and dangerous as she is beautiful. Soaking it all in. Great reaction promise.
The bell rings. Anyone who opposes the Demon King better have a plan. The priority in that plan must be to stay away from the Demon's explosive quickness. I think it's bad enough you have to go up against the Demon.
championship. Just looking for something big.
Nasty.
Setting up for a neck. Now we have superstars are in the ring all at once. There are no countouts and no disqualifications. You have 4 superstars who are throwing down anywhere they want to. It's mass hysteria. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Here he goes.
WWE Tag Team Titles at WrestleMania 2, 3 teams.
Each duo put it all on the line so they could be WWE Tag Team Champions. Even though the wild matches between them had TLC elements in them.
When this guy's on, 19. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark. What a strike.
Right off his feet. Oh my goodness. These super... Oh boy. This might be it. Oh my.
He wants it one more time.
Look at this. Running Hurricane Rana.
Ooh, brutal body shot.
On, here he goes.
Wow, guys. This Aleister Black setting it up.
And Andrade almost slips out of harm's way.
Oh, the ladder hits. Jeez, that's gotta hurt. Scoop slip. Back in the ring again.
What is this superstar?
Incredible impact.
Ring rattling. Almost looking for something big. Here's this Mr. Black. Ooh, that kick can be a game.
Oh, what impact. Oh, the ladder hits. Jeez, that's gotta hurt. When this guy's
Retains the title.
Here's your winner, and still WWE Universal Champion, Alexa.
Buenera's here. Cole, O'Reilly, and Fish. The most entertainment know there is a long and sordid history between Adam Cole and Roderick Strong. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what a forearm!
Harsh impact. Nobody does it quite like him.
Cover, cover.
Here is your winner, and still the United States Champion, Adam Cole.
You're looking at the winner of this one-on-one match.
Adam Cole bat facilement du coup Roderick Strong, qui était déjà pas mal blessé à cause des événements de Survivor Series, mais en plus de cela, l'attaque qui a eu lieu en backstage, Adam Cole conserve facilement son titre des États-Unis. On peut noter quand même que le reste de l'Undisputed Era, Bobby Fish et Kyle O'Reilly, sont assez sceptiques sur le fait de retirer Roderick Strong de l'Undisputed Era, mais on en sera plus au prochain épisode. Pendant ce temps, Goldust est dans l'infirmerie quand tout à coup, l'Undertaker se pointe et lui demande qui a attaqué Kane à Hell in a Cell. Parce que je rappelle que c'est quand même depuis tout ce temps-là que Kane a disparu. Et on ne sait toujours pas qui en est la cause. Undertaker a pensé à Finn Balor, à Aleister Black, maintenant Goldust, puisque Goldust en avait parlé à SmackDown, comme quoi il savait qui était derrière tout ça. Et l'Undertaker a les oreilles un peu partout. Undertaker hurle en demandant où se trouve son frère. Goldust dit qu'il ne sait pas où il est, mais il portait des cagoules, et ils étaient plusieurs. Le Phenom porte ensuite son chokeslam à Goldust. On n'en saura pas plus pour ce soir. Et enfin, le main event, les 4 Horsewomen de la WWE composés de Charlotte, Sasha Banks et Becky Lynch et Bayley vont affronter la Team UFC, Shayna Baszler, Ronda Rousey, Jasmine Duke et Marina Shafir dans un match tag team à élimination sans disqualification. C'est la revanche après les Survivor Series, où je rappelle que les 4 Horsewomen avaient remporté la victoire face à la Team UFC, où on peut noter que Becky était la dernière survivante. Les deux teams se sont de nouveau embrouillés à Raw, notamment en se battant dans le bureau de Shane McMahon. Du coup, il a été décidé que les deux teams s'affronteraient encore une fois ce soir à TLT.
The following contest is an elimination match.
In the world of mixed martial arts to WWE, she improves each and every time she steps in the ring.
Making his way to the ring from Dublin, Ireland, Becky Lynch. From the Queen City, Charlotte Flair, Bayley, and Sasha Banks.
And guys, I'm pretty sure I can watch these women compete each. Cover here. Left strike. Digging deep. Straight punt. This might be it. Oh my, victory is on the horizon. Ooh, what is? And she breaks free. She reverses out of it, and not a second too soon. Close call there. Oh, straight. Whack. And that changes the entire outlook for these women, Michael. Oh, sure. They got him. Got the arm. Got the disarmer. Going for it all hit. Crashing down the hardwood. Punch. Byron's got the sleeper locked in. The sleeper. As we mentioned, something that's become a trend is age. Beautiful. Going for the big one. Harsh impact. Charlotte is nailed it. Charlotte is in trouble. Charlotte's just getting overwhelmed. That's not something you see often for the... You can bend the ear of a trainer. Corey Charlotte's not low. I bet you feel foolish riding her off now. Oh! No, Charlotte, getting ready, guys. Oh! Got it. Charlotte is rolling here. Brian, I don't even know if there are any gaps left in Charlotte's knowledge. She may have fewer years in the ring, but she learns that in more years in the ring, and few can count. But if you can, Ronda Rousey's done playing. You gotta believe this one's over. Warm up the bus. This one is over. This might be it. Oh my, Charlotte is in trouble. Ronda Rousey needs to cap. Tremendous ring. The setup. From behind. Natural selection. One. And the count. Man, she's got to get herself to the back. And Sasha with a backstab. Flipping her over. Here it comes. And Sasha with a backstab. Oh, here it comes. Man, she knows. What a forearm. German suplex. There it is. She's made the tag. And her partner is on absolute fire right now. Oh, and head and arm triumph. Oh, what a high kick. Pins. Oh, what a splash. Meaning to have a seat. And she drops her. That was about as in your face as it gets. Oh, and she gets out of it. She has renewed life now, Michael. Have a seat. Attacking the arm. If you ask a member of the WWE Universe about the Four Horsewomen, they'll like includes Ronda Rousey and Shayna Baszler. Yeah, both groups actually met face. The two of you brought up the collision between
Charlotte Flair has been eliminated.
You gotta believe this one's over. She was almost done. Belly to belly. Now that's what I call making a statement. Michael mentioned Shayna Baszler's into this great women's matchup. Harsh impact. Sasha Banks is tagged in. Died where she has all the time in the world to do what she needs to do. In off the tag. Blade. She's back in full. Oh, the sledgehammer. She might have it. Boom, what impact. Lucky once in a while. I don't see Bayley Baszler making her move. Nasty, finish this. Beautiful technique. Oh man, Bayley's gonna need a hug after that.
Eliminated. Here are your winners, Shayna Baszler, Ronda Rousey.
Si vous avez bien suivi, vous avez pu voir que Sasha Banks a quitté le match. Elle n'a pas voulu faire le tag avec Bayley. Bayley a fini tout seul contre la Team UFC et n'a malheureusement rien pu faire. Aucun membre de la Team UFC ont été éliminés. Juste après ça, Bayley est évacuée, tandis que la Team UFC, composée de Ronda Rousey, Shayna Baszler, Jasmine Duke et Marina Shafir, célèbre sur le ring, ce qui clôt TLC 2019.